Hi, it's Natalie from Frequency and Food Wellness. Hope this finds you doing fantastic today. Today's pendulum, we're looking at citrine, one of my favorite stones. Here at the bottom, we have a yellow glass prism. And along the chain, we have not only do we have citrine chips, but we have larger citrine chunks. Irregular in shape, which gives each one of these a lot of personality and character. There's your 12-inch citrine pendulum. And citrine is a stone associated with manifestation, personal will, mental clarity, and creativity. All right, let's break in citrine. "45-degree swing to get her some momentum. Show me a yes." Fantastic. All right, 45-degree swing. Show me a no. She stops. And she starts giving us a nice right to left swing. Very good. Beautiful citrine. If you're looking for a pendulum like this, you will find it in myfrequency.shop. Enjoy your day.